Good afternoon, guys, ladies, boys and girls, whoever's watching. As you can see, I am in the process of making myself a furnace so I can melt aluminum. And I do mean I've got a little bit around here. Oh yeah, I got tons of it. I got a bunch, let's see, I got over 1,200, almost, no, 6, I can't remember now. Anyway, I got a bunch, that's all I can tell you. I got probably close to 1,000 pounds of aluminum, maybe more. That's including the metal and stuff that's inside of it. The only thing I got left to do is put the kale wool in as soon as I get it. I'm supposed to get it sometime next week, I think, or this coming week. So I got a hole in there already, right there, so it can drain out. Got some steel legs. There's my drain hole there. Got 2-inch square tubing, about 6 inches long, or just shy of 6 inches there. And there's my pipe. Probably have to shorten that up.
Mom!
She's down Tom's.
It is down to Tom's right now.
So, alright, thank you for watching. I'll keep you posted, guys. Thanks, Jimmy, for the hole.